How much is a ton of money? Let's talk about it on Kyle Talks Money. Having a ton of money would be nice, but that's usually a figurative speech, like Bill Gates used to have a ton of money. So in this video, we're going to examine what is a ton of money anyway. And this isn't figuratively, this is literally, how much is a ton of money? First, a ton is a unit of mass, and a US ton weighs 2,000 pounds. A metric ton weighs 2,204 pounds. We're going to use a US ton because I'm American and most of you watching are American as well, so 2,000 pounds or 907 kilograms for everyone else. The calculation is then made easier since a ton of money is simply 2,000 pounds of money. That's it. Paper currency like the US dollar or euro weigh 1 gram. There are 907,185 grams in a ton. If we used only $1 bills, a ton of money would literally be $907,185. If we only used $100 bills, a ton of money would be $90.7 million. A ton of money would be valued anywhere from $907,000 to $90.7 million. There you go. But what about coins? A US penny weighs 2.5 grams, meaning that a ton of money, if they were all pennies, would only be worth $3,628.74. But on the other side of that, a half dollar, which is the heaviest US coin, weighs 11.34 grams. That means a ton of half dollars equals $39,999.33. Like the figurative phrase a ton of money, a literal ton of money doesn't give us an exact answer. A teenager working an entire summer making $3,600 could be seen as having a ton of money, and the phrase would also make sense when comparing some celebrity worth $90 million with having a ton of money. Basically, having a ton of money isn't that big of a deal. Sure, it would be nice to have a ton of money no matter what value is placed on what you're measuring, but let's not assume someone having a ton of money is really a lot. What are your thoughts? Do you have a ton of money? If you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I talk about money and everything related to it, so don't miss out. And as always, take care of your money.